Hello friends, welcome to Focus Android YouTube channel. So in this video I will discuss how to check full specification of an Android device. Each smartphone has a different method for checking this, but here I will recommend an app that lets you view all of your smartphone specification in detail. And this is a CPUZ application that you can download easily and for free on the Google Play Store. And how to use it, you just open the application and you can immediately see the complete specification of your device. As you can see, the detailed specification of the chipset or SoC, system, device, battery, and other.